Hi everyone, today with me I have this cat scratching board. It is wear resistant felt fabric. It has the pine wood bracket and it has multiple usages as you can see here. Either we have it on this mode or this stand-up mode, so it's really cool, and it's 100% natural Sisal. So I love that my cats like to scratch, but I don't like it when it's on the couch or a chair that is brand new, which has happened here at home before. So I definitely wanted to have them have a little space of their own, which they can scratch away as they will. So definitely wanted to invest in something like this, and I think it looks so sleek. So as you can see, it comes nice and well packaged, and here it is. So this material is not the one like cardboard that's going to spread all over the house. This one is this nice cloth-like material, and I think they're gonna love scratching this, and it doesn't leave my floor a mess. So as you can see, you can push this up, flip it around, and now you have another one for them to scratch with a different looking material. So this is definitely a must-have. I think it's so sleek and cool, and it is going to look not only gorgeous in your house, but is going to keep your pet's little claws from getting anywhere near your couch.